Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos. Then you'll be in the main Photos feed, so click at the three dots at the right top and click at the Stack Similar Photos. Okay, and now, also I recommended to set layout to months, but it's up to you. And now, if you have duplicates, like right here, as you can see, we have this number 2. It means that we have two similar photos. So, in this way, you can remove this photo only, delete, and now, as you can see, we have only one photos. And you should do this with all duplicates if you want to remove them, because we haven't single button to remove all duplicates from the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.